Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circle trimmer. First, understand its core components: a central pivot, a measurement arm, and a cutting blade. This tool is designed for precision, allowing you to create perfectly round shapes for various projects. We will cover everything from initial setup to advanced trimming techniques, ensuring you get clean, consistent results every time. Get ready to transform your crafting with this versatile device. Setting up your circle trimmer correctly is crucial for optimal results. Begin by placing your paper or cardstock on a self-healing cutting mat. Next, adjust the trimmer's arm to set the radius for your circle. Remember, the diameter will be twice this measurement. Make sure the blade is firmly attached and the pivot point is stable. A proper setup prevents slips and ensures a clean, precise cut every time you use it. When trimming, technique makes all the difference. Position the pivot point firmly on your material center. Apply gentle, consistent pressure to the trimmer handle as you rotate it smoothly around the pivot. For thicker materials, avoid trying to cut through in one pass. Instead, make 2 or 3 lighter passes to achieve a clean edge without tearing. This method ensures a professional finish and extends your blade's life. To keep your circle trimmer performing its best, always use a sharp blade. Dull blades can tear your material. Regularly clean the trimmer to remove any paper dust or adhesive residue, which can hinder its smooth operation. Proper maintenance ensures longevity and consistent, high-quality results for all your projects. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.